up some paint last night, but I forgot. So at least it's our number. And it's bright and shiny. And potentially it gets rid of the Danny McKay 13M curse. Didn't tell us about that when he lent us the car.
It's gone now.
Hopefully.
Second place. Tonight.
Toby's got high hopes for this body. That body added 15 horse.
We're getting fucking money and points.
We're hungry. We haven't eaten yet.
Yeah, fucking. And we gotta fucking go.
And it's 5 o'clock. Yeah, we gotta go.
We gotta fucking go.
Toby's gotta hit the weed store.
Oh.
We need gas.
I gotta be able to calm down. I'm getting all jittery now.
It's that time of the week, boys.
We gotta get gas because we didn't put gas in the car last week. So at least we can know we can run 2 weeks
Without
filling up. So
Gotta go.
that's nice.
Well, they had no power last time, so everybody lost.
They had
But
no
we
power.
still came out on top with $45 and an 18th position.
19th, Toby. Getting rid of the curse.
God! God!
Well, we're at the track. I missed it because I was too busy lollygagging, as Toby would say. He caught us. But yeah, so we changed a couple things in the car, put a couple of different springs in it. So hopefully that works. Hopefully it does something. Put a little bit more timing into it. We're at 35 degrees now. So Blackwell Racing heads, they told me that's what I should run, so that's what I'm gonna try. And it seems to be running pretty peppy, so we ran it out back in the yard. Ran alright. So we'll see what it does out here with an actual load on it, with some grip. I don't know like I said, we missed hot laps, so I'm gonna go check the board, see where we are qualifying. They got sprints tonight. No sportsmen, no Danny's up in Brighton. Modifieds and yeah, the 360 sprints, I believe. So our boy Ryan Turner's here, so we'll be cheering him on. I don't know what else to say. Come along with us on this ride of fun, of, as Toby would say, of happiness. He's over here, he's gawking at all the sprint cars. If you look closely, you can see he's chubby. We're starting third heat on the pole next to Mark, the number 12 car that we parked beside last week. John Lubeck's behind us. I didn't really pay too much attention. Trevor's in our heat too, so he started just behind John. So we'll see how the car does. Anything. I hate changing things and not testing it. But hey, here we are. Yay. And I gotta pee really bad.
good racing, Randall.
Man, it was. If we did, I think it's working.
Oh, it's working big time, man. See? That's why you get addicted to the happiness. You get better at something you know nothing about.
Fucked up
Great.
that, fucked
You're
up
keeping
that
up with
corner,
this
though.
guy for a bit.
Yeah,
You lose
right?
any momentum, they just like they just climb on you.
Yeah.
So you got to keep the monster in you.
Yeah, it's still breaking up a little bit though.
First few laps, you were sitting, you were holding your line.
That was awesome.
As soon as the moment you went up a little higher, that's when you started losing it.
Oh yeah.
That was
You gotta try and
awesome.
stay like mid track.
We got something this week. You gotta watch out too, because they're coming up to push you from the backside, boy. Everyone's gunning for you now. You know why? Because we got something. We fucking got something. They don't like it. Randall's got it tonight, right, boy? You had the skill on tonight.
It felt really good. Like
Looked fucking good.
It turned real nice.
Yeah, 200.
Yeah, so
That's wicked.
I think we jumped through that junk pile to find some springs.
Yeah.
And it didn't blow up.
It didn't blow up.
That felt good. Yay. Fucking 20.8. There we go. Now we're talking. Oh, here we go.
Hey, Rand. I don't know if you want to start like peacocking and shit.
White flags and out lights are out from row fire together. We are coming to green. yellows out, back him down. I got one just off the racetrack. Number 2. Get him single file here, driver, single file. Hold there 96, blend in the back. Hold there 96, blend in the back. 5G is Mr. Hughes, that's the second time in 2 weeks. I don't want to deal with it again. 5 to the shield, 5K, 5, 71, 71, 23, 5K to your shield, you can bring it back to me.
Yeah. Take the last lap, have it. Let him have it. Yeah. I wasn't even paying attention to what happened was. Doing awesome, man.
I feel like he said something over the thing, but I couldn't fucking hear him. It was breaking up. Fuck! What a shitty way to fucking... What even happened? Did the tires just blow or... Hey?
It's all juice.
Well, I probably drove around for like a lap. Like that caution lap, I was like, fuck, this thing feels kind of weird. And like I was looking over...
No, even when you were coming around.
I gave the like, is it?
Even when you were coming around, your wheel looked fine.
I don't know, I turned and then all of a sudden it like went green and I'm just like... Fuck.
The important thing is we had fun, and we're still dear good friends.
Flat tire.
It's a lot of work. It paid off. It was working. You were climbing. We had the curse lifted. We got 12th position. We were holding 13 for a while. I was like, oh no, is this gonna last forever? We take the number off and then we get the number. So, till next time.
Let's get some ice cream.
Cool.
Let's go. Actually, let's go see if Ryan will let us throw a GoPro in his super fast car. I was trying to be gentle on that spot. Well, I think we got 18. 17. I don't know. Race monitor says one thing. My lap says another. I don't think the results are posted yet, but we're right around there. I was a little bummed out that we had a tire pop that late. But I mean, what do you do? The track actually felt really nice. It was pretty grippy, and our spring setup that we changed over seemed to work pretty good. Car feels really good. Still overheating a touch, and it's still breaking up a touch. So there's definitely something there. We'll get it figured out. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know, I don't know, why that tire popped. I think it just delaminated at the seam. It went poof. It was kind of scary actually. I went and like turned 4 and just like, oh no, it's not turning. Support your local dirt track. See you guys next time. We got a super special video out this week too, because Danny Boy's not here tonight. Ryan hooked us up, Ryan Turner, over at the Burger Barn Sprint Car team. So we got some video footage of him coming out this week too. Until next time. We'll see you later. I want some ice cream, but I think we're really not going to make it. Dave wants to be on TV.
No.
He's the only real winner around here.
Yeah. Every time we see this guy.
Yeah.
But I'll go on ice cream day with you regardless, man. I'll miss some sprint cars to reenact some good times. Get your mind out of the gutter, William.